Today we're looking at these compression bags, which they claim frees up to 80% of storage space, perfect for decluttering your home or just packing for smarter travel. So let's go through the specs first, and then we can do a demonstration to see how it works and if it's something that you might want to consider. This kit here includes 4 large bags, 4 medium bags and 4 small bags. There's a lot of different bundle options out there depending on your storage or travel needs that you might have. For travel, these can be a great option if you're staying in one place for a longer period of time. However, if you're going to constantly be moving from city to city, they might not be the most practical solution for you. I highly recommend that you choose a kit that comes with a rechargeable electric pump. It makes the whole process much easier, and it's faster. Some kits come with a pump action that doesn't require a power source, but they are a little bit bigger. So you got the power button for the on and off. It's 14 centimeters, that's 5.51 inches long. It's a 25 watt motor with a 1500 mAh powered battery. Built-in battery level indicator. Sounds like I'm talking about something else. So it's got the air outlet here and obviously the air intake from here. The battery indicator guide is 1 bar is 5% to 20%. 2 bars is 20% to 40%, 3 bars is 40 to 60%, and 4 bars is 60 to 80%, 5 bars 80 to 100%. So when it's flashing, that indicates that it's low battery and you need to charge it. So in the box is included this pump here. You get your little clips as well, and a little manual, and obviously the bags. Now, to get the best seal, use the included clips and run your fingers along the zip to ensure it's fully closed. So let's take a closer look now. I'll show you the bags, the sealing clips, the line on the bag to fill to, which is really important. I will be demonstrating with pillows instead of clothes and blankets and things like that. So just to give you an idea, because a pillow is nice and fluffy, so to see how it works. So this is the one that I got. And as you can see, it's space like 80% space saving. It's waterproof, anti-dust, insect and mildew safe. So this is your pump, that's your intake, and that's your outlet. And now these the battery indicators are right here, and you charge the pump via USB-C, and it does come with that cord as well. Now they do give you a nice amount of clips. These are what the clips look like. They give you quite a few. So yeah, so they're the clips right there. So I'll demonstrate how they work. And let's get into it. So I will be using a small bag, even though it looks really big. But this is the smallest one they've got in this package. And here is a line where you fill up to, so you don't go above this line. So obviously this is where the pump goes. And here's your sealer. This is a double sealer. You get the triple as well. What I got is we'll be putting these pillows in these bags. So let's do that right now. So now comes the time when you seal it. So we grab one of the clips, we slide it on to about there, and then you just pull it. I would do it twice, and then I would use my hands, my thumb, to make sure. So now undo the cap and put your pump on. It's not a really tight seal, but when you turn it on, make sure you lean on the bag so you can help it get the air out, especially on the ends here. So let's do that. Put your cap back on, and we'll repeat that 4 times just to see if we can get it into some luggage that would be like a carry-on. Okay, so let's go. You don't have to watch me do all 4, so I'll do the other 4 and we'll get back to you. So here they all are, and the idea is, let's see if we can get it into a carry-on bag. So here's mine. Seen better days. So it's impossible to get those 4 pillows in here when they're not like this. So let's just see if we can get them all in. As you can see, I've got the line here. So I'm well below the line. If I'm doing this wrong, because there are certain ways of packing bags, but I'll just do it my way, just throw them in. Right, so they're in. Suppose we could undo this so we get a little bit more room, because there are 4 pillows, by the way. All right. No problems at all. So if you are planning to travel somewhere, or you just want to simply just declutter your home, have a look at these bags because they might come in handy to you. As usual, the links will be down below, so take a look for yourself. I'm not going to link to this one exactly because everyone's got different needs for different sizes and different bags. So I'll just link to the page where all the bags are and you can have a look for yourself. So if you're still here, you might want to watch this one right here, and I'll catch you on the next one real soon. Woo!